Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Hi.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. How are you?
Okay, so after a long time we meet, so hope you're well.
Yeah.
And everything is good.
Yeah, no, I'm good. And you?
Yeah, so Alhamdulillah, I'm fine and thank you. So very busy
Good.
time.
I've seen some of your stuff online with I don't know, Twitter or Face somewhere. I saw your stuff. It's great. They're really good.
Okay.
So yeah,
yeah.
so what I really want to do is I want to define an extent, a top left, bottom right, and then I want to export it almost for multiple images.
Okay, so let's go. We talk about this problem. So I simply share my screen, then we try to discuss about this. Okay, so let's go. So mainly in this time we talk about that bioclimatic dataset. Okay, so bioclimatic dataset is available in also in Google Earth Engine platform, and we can easily get a lot of datasets such as precipitation, temperature, this type of data we can easily get from the bioclimatic dataset. So let's go. I have now, can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Okay, so here I already imported this bio variables or bioclimatic data set for the precipitation. Okay, so in this time, I also created this type of map. I can get the result look like this. So now I want to export this map from here. So mainly when you want to export this map, we need to use a function. This function is that export dot image to drive. Okay, so this is the function when you want to export any raster image, not only for the dataset, any raster image, we can simply use the export image to drive. And here I can get all of the argument. So now I want to create a dictionary. So curly bracket start and also curly bracket end. Then, so first of all, image. So this is a keyword. This keyword is, you also need to put here this key value. This key value is that which object you want to show display on your map. Simply write this variable name. So in this time, this variable name is that this variable. Simply copy. In this time, you can say a map.add layer. So when I want to add this variable name in here, it will be stored, display this map. Okay. So this variable stored this map. So I simply copy this variable name and paste here. Okay, so after the description can be anything. You can put any name, anything. So I simply put here this description is that, suppose, seasonal precipitation. You can use any name. Then folder, you can use any folder name. So in this time, which folder name you can put in here, this folder is automatically created on your Google Drive. So I put this name. You can use any name. There's no file name prefix not need. Simply remove. Region is need. Region is that mainly your boundary variable name. In this time, you can see this boundary shapefile stored variable name is that ROI. I put this ROI. So just I simply write here the ROI. Then scale.
Okay.
Scale is the resolution of your satellite images. So in this time, I want to check
So-
about their resolution.
It's about 1 kilometer, no?
Yeah. So you can see this is the resolution of this satellite images, 927.67 meters. So I simply copy
Okay.
this value.
So you can
This is
put
the
in a
resolution of
1
my
kilometer.
data set and paste here.
Okay.
This is scale. And then all of this is not need. In this time, we need the max pixel. So mainly when you want to export the big data set as a big raster file, then we need to use that the
Yeah.
max pixel. Okay, but max pixel is not a compulsory, it is optional. So if you want, first of all, we need to check about my data set. If it will be export without max pixel, then I don't use it. Okay, so I will simply remove that. First of all, I will try to export this steep image without max pixel. If I face any problem, then I also add the max pixel values. Otherwise, it's not need. So click to the run. So you can see our task tab will be running. Working.
So also I put in some parameters for, this will export all the data. Okay. Then
Yeah.
I can, okay. So when I define my minimum, maximum, I don't need to do it here. It's better if I do it in the GIS, yeah? Once
Yeah.
I've exported. Yeah.
Yeah. So in this time, I can get the result in here. This click to the run.
Yeah.
So now it will be exported as a TP images. Okay.
Okay. And can you just, instead of putting in if you go to the top of the script, instead of putting in your polygon,
Now,
can I just put in, I want to put in a min and max in degrees. You get it?
okay. Okay. Suppose in this time you want to export only for the minimum or maximum value, then you can easily do that. So for that, okay,
Yeah,
I'll
so
write. Yeah.
so my ROI is minimum maximum, yeah.
Okay, okay. So for this, in this time, suppose from this raster image, I want to observe here that maximum value. So for that, I can simply use this max.
Or no, can I not just put in, hold on, can I not just put in,
Okay, so what you want to need?
can I not just put in a geometry rectangle,
Okay.
of
So simply you
something
can
like
simply okay. So simply remove that, and then simply draw this geometry. Suppose for this is I simply geometry ruler, and simply put this name, suppose ROI,
Oh, okay.
and then click to the run.
Okay.
So now I can get this result only for this region, and this
Only-
region is
okay.
also exported. Okay.
Yeah, that's the easiest way for me to
Yeah.
do it. Great. Okay.
And when you can click to the
Alright.
run, it will be also exported as a TIFF format or raster format. Then we can easily use it in ArcMap software, QGIS software for making the other process or making the map or other things. Okay.
Okay. And I can change, obviously I can change the image to almost anything in the Google Earth engine, correct?
Yeah. Yeah. We can also do that. Yeah.
So, okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Okay, so I also send you this code link. You also practice, and you can simply click to that run. It will be exported as a TIFF image. And using the same process, you can easily export any types of raster image. And suppose you simply click on here. Suppose you can click on here and simply click and drag it other place, and then click to the run. Now I can get this result for this region. Okay, and it also dynamic.
Okay.
We can easily change it from here and also get this result. Okay. Okay. So and also
Okay.
export the TIFF
Now,
format. Yeah.
Now, remember, I talked to you before about developing a user interface where I want a user interface where we can load up like dynamic world. We can draw either a box like you did now, or you can upload a KML or shapefile, and then choose your dates choose the dates, the range, and then export both the images, the like hill shaded one, and then the other one. You remember?
Okay.
For dynamic world. So if you made me with my logo, you made a very simple tool that allows people to come in, define an area either by drawing a box or by uploading a shape, and then setting the various dates in the left-hand side, and then hitting run, and then being able to export that as a raster file.
Okay. But you also need to this data set as the dynamic land cover application, web application.
Yeah, I think just only for one. If we just do it for the one data set as a sort of dynamic world, it's like a dynamic world query and export. And maybe you also maybe you do remember you did your parameters for each class, the number of hectares.
Yeah.
In the box, yeah.
Okay.
You remember you supplied
that. So for this, I need to develop this code and also make this create this app as the land cover, dynamic land cover. Then I also send you that. I hope you can easily get this from here. You can easily get this, change the time period. You can easily put your own shape file or boundary area and easily download as a export as a TIFF format or this raster image.
Yeah, and it's got to be very easy for somebody to use. They can just define an area by drawing a box, or they can add a shape. They can then set the dates, the range of dates to do the query. It generates for the query, it generates the number of hectares in each class. And then they can export, they could export the raster data and maybe export the thingy as Excel. The results, the class name and the area, hectares, maybe as Excel or maybe just copy paste from the interface. I don't care.
Okay, I understand about that. Okay.
Yes, so you and it would just run like a web page, would it, or would it be an application that's you can send to people to load? I don't know. You're the developer. I'm not a developer.
Okay, so I also do that, and also as soon as possible also let you know. Then you can easily apply this web application as this data set and easily use this web application as world dynamic land cover web application.
Exactly, and later on you can develop me more for different layers later. But at the moment, I just want to have the simple one where we can load an area, we can work out the dynamic world for the date range, we can work out the hectares, and then we can export the data so we can then vectorize it in the GIS. So how much do you want for that? Let's talk money.
Okay, so basically in this time, we also need to, this is a totally new work, so that's why we have also need to pay something about this new application.
I agree. Okay, but can you give me a quotation? I'll leave it with you. I'll leave it with you. You tell me by WhatsApp or email what it's going to cost. But yeah, so you can send me the thing you explained just now, because I need to cut out a little bit of the world climb, and then you send me a quotation, okay?
Okay. So you also send me all of those things as the documentation. Then it also better for me. I read this documentation and also apply this code. So then it also better. You can write this documentation and also send me. Then as soon as possible, I also develop this code and also arrange a meeting and also try to show you that how it will be work and everything. You can easily do that.
Okay.
It also better.
I don't need to be such a hurry. So I've got 1 month or something. So I'm not in a hurry.
No problem. Okay.
I'll send you the spec, and you send me how much it's going to cost. Okay.
Okay. So you can send me this. Right. I also read about this full documentation about your project or work. Then I also do that, and also as I also send you this code. Then you also try to do that. Okay.
Okay. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Okay. Thank you for joining after a long time. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks again. Oh, by the way, wait. One thing. some
please.
guy one guy has developed some Python scripting for the segmentation I was explaining to you from Meta.
Okay. You also send me about that. So for
I'll
this,
send you that because
yeah,
I think you would be interested because you can
yeah,
sell that service. You
yeah,
can
yeah,
sell
yeah.
it because at the moment there's no QGIS, there's no QGIS plugin, there's nothing. So except for this Python, and a lot of us can't use the Python. We don't know how to program.
Okay, so I also discovered about this website or link, and also as soon as possible, I also try to make some tutorial about this your segmentation project using this website. Then I also try to publish in my YouTube channel or other site. Then it also all of the people who are interested to the segmentation project, they can easily get benefit from this.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on a second. I'll send you the link right now.
Okay, kindly send me again. Okay.
To get, I'll send it in this one. So so I can send you in Messenger. Okay, so a guy at some guy, he's calling it segment geospatial. You get the link now?
Okay, so I also try to okay. So I'll check it the later and also.
Oh, I'll send it. I can
Yeah.
send it in WhatsApp as well because you're a clever guy. You'll get more use than I will. But it's interesting for me to do with my drone data, you know, because I have drone data. Okay, I sent you the. Oh, I sent it in WhatsApp. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Yeah, you got it because I have drone data. Yeah, drone photography, which I want to segment
Okay,
into
so
vectors.
okay, so I
I
also
don't need to.
yeah.
I can classify it manually, no problem, but I want to do the segmentation automatically, so I can right-click on a segment and then put in what the attribute is, you know. But I need it. We need it as vectors. It's very fast.
Okay, so I will check it and also try to post as soon as possible. Also make some tutorial about this for the geospatial segmentation, and also publish in my here. Okay, so then also get some people also get the benefit from this. Okay.
Okay, great. Yeah, thanks a lot. Can you send me
Okay,
the code
thank you.
from today?
Okay, thank you.
Today. Thanks a lot.
Okay,
Cheers.
thank
Bye.
you. Okay, have a great day. Okay, bye.
Thanks again. You too. Have a good weekend.